UN experts have raised serious concerns over the Gaza Humanitarian Foundation, warning it violates international law by mixing humanitarian relief with covert military agendas. They accuse Israel of failing to its legal duties as an occupying power, with nearly 1,400 people killed and thousands injured at aid distribution sites run by the group. Experts called for strict international oversight, condemning what they described as a dangerous normalization of impunity amid ongoing war crimes allegations. More than 1,000 scientists have signed a petition calling on CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, to take a stand over Israel's war on Gaza, citing its foundational principle of avoiding military-related work. The petition highlights concerns that the war not only undermines human dignity and takes a heavy toll on civilian lives, but also threatens peaceful scientific collaboration between Israeli, Palestinian, and international researchers. The scientists emphasize the importance of international cooperation in science, warning that the ongoing conflict jeopardizes shared values and the integrity of global scientific partnerships. Jan Egeland, Secretary-General of the Norwegian Refugee Council, has strongly criticized Israel's actions in Gaza, saying international law is being violated on a daily basis. Egeland called for an immediate ceasefire and unrestricted humanitarian access, stressing that only opening land crossings for large-scale aid can prevent famine. He also warned that Israeli control over aid access must end and said Norwegian investments linked to companies contributing to these violations should be withdrawn. Egeland further accused extremists in the Israeli government of working with settler groups aiming to seize Palestinian land. The Danish Refugee Council has reported that 70% of Palestinians in Gaza suffer from extreme weakness due to starvation, making it difficult to travel on foot to aid distribution points. A recent survey found limited access to clean water and hot meals, with many receiving little to no aid. Witnesses described violent attacks targeting civilians trying to reach help, calling the assistance blood aid due to the dangers involved. According to the government media office in Gaza, only 769 aid trucks entered Gaza between July 27th and August 4th, averaging just 85 trucks per day. This is far below the 500 to 600 daily trucks the UN Relief and Works Agency says are needed to meet basic humanitarian needs. Despite Israel's announcement to ease restrictions on aid deliveries starting July 27th, the flow remains insufficient to prevent worsening hunger and the collapse of the healthcare system. The lowest daily figure was recorded on August 2nd, with just 36 trucks entering the strip. Senior Hamas official Izzat al-Rishiqa has endorsed the Freedom to Report initiative launched by over 200 journalists worldwide, demanding immediate and uncensored access for foreign media to Gaza. The campaign highlights an information blackout imposed by Israel, accusing it of restricting press freedom to control the narrative. Al-Rishiqa condemned Israel's ban on foreign journalists as a tactic to hide its military actions. Since the conflict began, more than 200 media workers have been killed in Gaza.